Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which states design a headgear inspired from a sea creature. So first we will construct a head uh, like in just an outline form. Okay, so that can help us create the suppose a right balance for the construction of whichever headgear we are trying to make. So suppose I have created a outline for the face. Suppose this is the entire structure of a human face just with an outline, which gives us a base on which we are going to construct the head. Now, as we know, there are lots of sea creatures, so we will take a prominent and the most like popular one. Suppose a seahorse. So we will take inspiration from the structure of its face and create a headgear. So suppose if there is a headgear which is this person suppose is about to open. Suppose this is his eyes, line of the nose, face. So the headgear must cover almost around this portion, this kind of area. So this will be our area where we are going to construct the headgear. So now we will start taking inspiration from its facial structure. So suppose it has a face that of a front face like that of a horse, and like a facial structure. So around that we are going to construct it. So this is how it is going to look like. Frontal structure like that of a horse. Okay, and outside it has certain features on this side, and there are certain protrudings that comes out of their faces. So that is going to be one of the important element of this design. And then we are going to put the eyes, which is going to form the base of that headgear. And from here we are going to add some extra protruding, and thus we are going to close the shape. So this can form like the basic structure, which can be said has been taken inspired from the uh, facial structure of a seahorse. So you cannot like actually make the exact structure, but you have to somehow morph the face of the sea creature and the structure of an helmet that can act like a headgear. Now, with this, we are going to take inspiration from its skin color and add to it so that it looks like an original, like a 3D structure. So we are going to take the inspiration of its skin color, which is almost of, you'll find those are like yellowish. So we'll give some portion to be yellow. Always remember, you can take inspiration from their main color, like main skin color, and then start using it creatively so that it adds some interesting dynamics to your creation. So suppose I have this base color first, and then we are going to take a little bit of oranges, which is also the, you will see some tone in their structures, and then you can add certain textures like we find in their body. And this can also give that feel that an inspiration has been taken. Okay, so wherever you find, try to take the features of a given organism and use it creatively so that it adds certain value, creative value to your creation. After that, we can take a slightly uh, light color and add certain values here, and these are just plain colors which can be said that has been taken a direct inspiration so that it creates that right effect. And then you can use the black to portrays the eye, and that outward horn like protruding that comes out of their body, so that can be represented like this, and to some extent here too. So this actually creates some dynamism in your design, and then you can add certain textures here and there so that your design start looking a little more interesting. In this way, you can create a design which would look very interesting to look at. After that, you can make certain interesting eyes and in the nose structure, and then you can add certain colors which we see in their body sometime. Suppose a color like this, so you will see their body has lots of color, so you don't have to like give the exact color, just put it here and there so that as a design it looks interesting. So we are taking inspiration, not making an exact replica. And then you can take a blue and add certain tints of it. Now you will start seeing that the design would look as a headgear, it might start looking a little more interesting. And then a tint of red, bright red or brick orange here and there, that can also add some value in your design, and it can be started looking colorful. Okay, so I hope you found this lesson to be interesting. Keep sketching like this, and you can use other inspiration and create other headgears like this or other accessories like this by taking inspiration from certain creatures. I hope this lesson helps you a lot. Thank you.